our Blackberry Lemonade made with Crown Royal Blackberry. Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Jamison, and this is how I cook. I know this is not my normal filming location. This is actually the speakeasy in my basement known as Cache. Cache is French for hidden. And up next on This Is How I Cook, I want to show you a cocktail with the new Crown Royal Blackberry, a Crown Royal Blackberry Lemonade. You don't want to miss how to make this drink on Mixology Mondays. Okay guys, before we get too far into the ingredients, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. It really does help my growing channel. So the base spirit of our cocktail is the new Crown Royal Blackberry. We're also going to use a little bit of Cointreau. We've got some simple syrup. We're going to use the juice of half a lemon, and we're going to shake it vigorously over some ice. So the first thing we want to do is use about 3 ounces of our Crown Blackberry. Next, we're going to add 0.75 ounces of our Cointreau. Next, we're going to put in 1 ounce of our simple syrup. And last but not least, we're going to squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Close this up and give us a vigorous shake over ice. We're going to pour our cocktail into a cotton glass over ice. And the last thing we're going to do is garnish this with a slice of lemon. And there you have it. Our Blackberry Lemonade made with Crown Royal Blackberry. Okay guys, time for the taste test. Oh, man, this is refreshing. Tastes like blackberries. You get that instantly from the Crown Royal Blackberry. Also, you get these wonderful citrus notes, starting with the lemon, also from the Cointreau, and then you've got a nice sweetness that's in there that makes you think of lemonade, and that comes to us also from the Crown Royal Blackberry, but also from the simple syrup. Guys, add this to your home bar, add this to your weekend cocktails, add this to your middle of the week and I'm tired of work cocktails. This is simply delicious. Once again, guys, I'm Jamison, and this is how I cook. Thank you guys for stopping by on Mixology Mondays. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. It really does help my growing channel. I've got to get back to my cocktail.